Hey fans, welcome back. In this video, we explore a range of incredible inventions designed to enhance your safety and protection. From cutting-edge gadgets to innovative tools, these products are crafted to provide you with the best security solutions. Whether you're at home, traveling, or just going about your daily life, these inventions can significantly improve your safety and peace of mind. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content on the latest safety innovations. Introducing the OOAK Forge Horny Monster Slingshot, now available to everyone for just $40. This tiny slingshot is so compact it can fit on a keychain or slip into your pocket with ease. Measuring just 63.5 by 44 millimeters and weighing only 28 grams with the strap, it's incredibly portable. But wait, there's more. It also doubles as a bottle opener. Handcrafted from anodized aluminum, it's designed to last for generations. Imagine the ultimate self-defense tool. You might picture a high-tech pepper spray gun or a sleek knife, but have you considered smoke grenades? These aren't just for music videos. They're incredibly effective in real-life situations. Imagine you're being chased by a criminal. Toss a couple of smoke bombs, and in about 25 seconds, you've disappeared into a cloud of smoke. Some smoke bombs last up to 90 seconds, creating a thick, dense cover. While they can be a bit tricky to use in open spaces, they work brilliantly indoors. One bomb can fill a closed space with smoke, making it perfect for making a quick escape. In doomsday scenarios, smoke grenades can be lifesavers. Use the smoke to attract the attention of rescuers or military personnel, guiding people to safety zones. Munio, the keychain that packs a powerful punch. Despite its small size, Munio can be a lifesaver in dangerous situations. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry wherever you go. So, how does a keychain help in self-defense? One side of Munio is sharp, like a knife or bayonet, allowing you to defend yourself if needed. The best part: Munio doesn't look like a weapon, so attackers might not realize you're armed, giving you the element of surprise. Plus, Munio comes with up to 3 key rings, which you can rattle to potentially startle an attacker and create a moment of distraction. While its effectiveness as a noisemaker is uncertain, it might just give you the edge you need to escape. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, the same material used in defense and tactical gear, Munio is built to last. And with over 20 design options, you can stay safe and stylish wherever you go. Enhance your defense with the Shindn Arm Shield. At just $79, this compact and effective self-defense tool is a must-have. Measuring 47 centimeters in length, it easily fits into most backpacks, and weighing only 700 grams, it's light enough for extended use without tiring you out. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum body and a 15 mm thick EVA foam insert, this shield provides reliable protection. Plus, it features a tungsten steel spike, perfect for catching attackers off guard and ensuring your safety. Introducing the Guardian Angel Pepper Spray Gun 4. Perfect for both everyday protection and survival situations, this powerful tool is designed to fend off wrongdoers and even wild animals. With its high-quality design, it's truly your guardian angel. This pepper spray gun fires a potent spray at speeds up to 112 miles per hour, reaching distances of up to 13 feet, giving attackers no time to react. And if they dodge the first shot, there's a second charge ready to deploy. Just keep a safe shooting distance of about 1.5 feet. In case of an apocalypse, this compact gun is essential. Weighing only 4.4 ounces and measuring just 5 by 1 by 3 inches, it easily fits in your backpack. Plus, it's built to last, performing reliably in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Meet the Mace Pepper Gun 2.0. Your ultimate defense tool that keeps threats at a safe distance. With its smart design, this pepper gun is a go-to for reliable self-protection. True to its name, the Mace Pepper Gun shoots pepper spray, causing severe breathing difficulty, coughing, blurred vision, and an intense burning sensation on the skin, effectively deterring any attacker. Plus, the gun's projectiles can include ultraviolet dye, marking the assailant for easy identification later. This powerful tool can fire up to 7 rounds at distances of up to 20 feet, stopping even the toughest threats in their tracks. But it doesn't stop there. It also features a dual-mode LED strobe, light to disorient criminals and enhance your aim. For added safety, it includes a slide-release safety switch to prevent accidental discharge. Stay protected with the Mace Pepper Gun 2.0. Practical, powerful, and always ready when you need it. Meet the InfiRay T3, your very own ninja gadget. This tiny thermal night vision camera, weighing just 40 grams, can detect objects up to 1.3 kilometers away. Introducing the FoxFury T.E.D, or simply T.E.D, a game-changer for security firms and law enforcement. This tactical electronic distraction device doesn't just light up a scene. It blasts an intense 2600 lumens and rolls with a 120 decibel siren. Choose from 8 different modes and enjoy its power-packed performance. Weighing just 500 grams, T.E.D offers an hour of battery life on a single charge. All this high-tech functionality can be yours for just $220. Meet your steadfast guardians, a sturdy baton and its reliable holder. The baton is your go-to for self-defense, crafted from tough steel to ensure it withstands any challenge and lasts a lifetime. Imagine this. In chaotic times when resources are scarce, your trusty baton will be your unwavering protector. Now, let's talk about the game-changing holder. It attaches to any side of your belt, making it easy to carry your baton wherever you go. For everyday use, it adds convenience, but in a crisis, it grants you quick access and agility. Whether it's for daily protection or survival situations, this duo has got your back. Let's dive into the Taurus small pistol. Introduced in 2014, this compact powerhouse isn't your average self-defense and concealed carry tool. What makes it stand out? It's all about the design. Imagine this. It boasts a curved shape that fits snugly behind your belt, ensuring comfort even during long wear. And here's the kicker. It's super lightweight, weighing just 0.6 pounds, so you can carry it all day without feeling burdened. But don't be fooled by its small size. This pistol packs a punch in defense. Take its 380 caliber Taurus Curve rounds, for example. They provide ample stopping power at close range to keep you safe. Plus, it's equipped with convenient safety features like automatic magazine safety and a loaded chamber indicator, offering peace of mind.